Is it just me or does it feel like everybody's saying the exact same thing right now? YouTube's on easy mode. The algorithm changed. Small creators are finally getting their shot. And look, I understand why people want to believe that. But here's what the data actually shows. 99% of the people that are following that advice are failing.
Wait a minute. Mosh, I'm here to make money. I have a busy 9 to 5 or I have a business. I don't have time for YouTube or failing as a middle-class content creator. I'm not even a content creator. Are you saying this? Wait, my friend. Let's first find a common ground. You are here to make money and you know that money right now is in the pocket of people who have pain and they're ready to pay products to get rid of their pain. Am I right? So this money, my friend, will come to your pocket from people's pocket when you give them what they are looking for. Yes or no? Yes! And these people are on YouTube all day long watching videos. You might argue that they are on other social media. Yes, but they're watching videos. So yeah, that's why we are talking about videos. We are talking about the largest video platform, YouTube, and the fate of the people who are looking for paying people.
Guys, I planned for a pretty long video packed with value, education, and real case studies, exactly the steps that we take and we teach our students to make real money. And you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet. May I ask why? Come on, give me some inspiration. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Switch on the notification bell button because this is just the beginning. We upload a new training every single day and you want to get notified by YouTube. And the only way to do that is to subscribe to our channel and make sure you ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you also help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go.
But my friend, there is a big fat but, and that's why we are here today. A lot of people think that they can make money from YouTube using the only one method, which is the first method and the most volatile method. And that's the method we are talking about here today. But we do not do that. We do not even depend on the first method. We use the second method. We will also talk about that as well. So let's go.
And I'm about to show you exactly why. Because three things are happening right now that nobody's connecting. And once you see, you can't unsee them. Everything changes. Here's what the data actually shows. Nearly half the creators say that it's harder than ever before to succeed right now. 4 out of 10, in fact, say that they're burnt out and they want to quit.
All right, we don't have time to watch an 11 minutes long videos. We need an actionable plan right now so we can start making money. So I'm going to use my Stitchable app. If you don't have it yet, why not? It's simple. Go to stitchable.99dfy.com and create your free account. At least right now it is free. It will never be free in the future. So this is your time. Go get it. I'm going to click transcribe, put the video URL here, and click with my mouse for the third time. This is the third click in the whole session. Then paste the transcript here and make the fourth click and wait for AI to work. Analyze the video, find out the important pieces for you to learn quickly about making money. And it is done. I got those sections and I got a headline as well, written by AI. And now I will make my fifth click and boom, beautiful short course website. You can also call it a lead magnet is ready with a beautiful headline, with a persuasive subheadline, and with a 6-step process called growth. Every letter came from the first letter of each section. Now I will make the 6th click. Here's the click number 6 and your website is ready. This website, my friend, gives you authority, builds trust, works as a challenge website or mini course website, a website that you can use to give away to your audience where the content is created by someone else. If you want, you can add a call to action button that will show up, let's say, after 5 seconds. Add it, save it, refresh the page, and in 5 seconds, like 3, 2, 1. Look at this. The button is here. 6 clicks. Without any technical skill, any experience, you make your first money-making website in under 1 minute. Now, this website is going to help us in 3 different ways. Now we have a website that has content and a call to action. Second, we are able to sell access to this website and make money. And third, for selling, we need traffic. We're going to show you one of these steps in this video and make a video about it. That video will get us traffic and help us make money. Now, if you still don't have access to it, go to teachable.99dfy.com and we will see you inside. Let's start with the first step, G.
Release something that confirms all of these suspicions. The average creator's monthly income without brand deals is less than 20% of what a regular regular full-time employee makes. Less than 20%. The creator economy looks bigger than ever before, but individual creators, they're making less. But wait, Adam, isn't the creator economy supposed to be booming? Aren't there more tools than ever before? Isn't AI making it easier for creators? Aren't there more secrets being revealed?
That sounds like the case, but is this the reality?
This is where most creators are getting completely lied to. So when somebody on YouTube says, YouTube's on easy mode, they're half right, because it is easier than ever before to upload a video. Not easy to make money, pay rent, pay your bills with, right? Here's what actually is happening. I want you to imagine two neighbors for this example.
This takes us to the step number 2R. Renting versus owning.
To imagine two neighbors for this example. Both moved over to YouTube about 5 years ago, and they both hit, let's say, 50,000 subscribers around the same time. Both were making around $5,000 a month, right? Neighbor one, they kept doing what got them there. Better thumbnails though, maybe faster uploads, chasing trends, more of the same, right? Neighbor two did things differently. They took half their audience and moved them to an email list. They built a small course. They started a community. Fast forward to today, neighbor one, still at 50,000 subscribers, but
You might be thinking, Mosh, I don't have all this. Don't worry, you have. Keep watching, I will show you.
they're making like $2,000 a month because CPMs dropped, working twice as hard for half the money. Now, neighbor two has the same subscriber count, but now they're making $20,000 a month because they stopped renting attention and started owning an actual business. Same starting point.
That takes us to the third step. Overcrowded and underpaid.
Let me show you why. So 3 things broke what I call the creator middle class. Number 1, millions more people moved in. Everyone has a camera. Everyone watches the same tutorials, same thumbnails, same tricks, same everything.
Okay, Mosh, I understand. There's a lot of bad news going on. What's the solution? The solution is, instead of running after views, running after subscribers, and running after getting paid by YouTube from ad revenue or those so-called easy passive income, build your own foundation. Build your own business. Use every single view as a potential traffic, lead, and sales for your business. Now that sounds a little rude and suspicious because it sounds like I am trying to sell you something. Absolutely, yes, I am all about sales, because for me, sales means giving a painkiller that a person with a huge pain needs right now, and he's ready to pay money for it. So to introduce this whole thing, the real money-making method, we built 99% done for you program for busy 9-to-5ers and business owners just like yourself. And look at some of the results of our members. Yeah, there's just a few. I think they're earning good money. What do you think? These commissions are for each sale, each affiliate sale. All right, if you don't know about affiliate marketing, if you don't know about digital marketing, digital products, and how you can make money from little traffic without the mercy of YouTube or social media, then watch the free training at moshbarry.com, or click the link in the description or click the link in the bio and watch the free training. We will show you step by step, transparently, how we built and run our digital product and digital marketing business, and how you can get our help make this kind of commissions. The video is completely free to watch. There should be no one who can stop you from watching this video. Go to moshbarry.com and watch the free training. I want to see you in the training.
Now, number 2, the money got weird. YouTube Shorts pay about 1 to 7 cents per 1,000 views. Long form pays $1 to $20 per 1,000 views. That means you need millions of shorts just to make $100. Now, number 3 is ad revenue became shaky. It's definitely a roller coaster because, like, in December, you might have a $6 or $7 CPM, CPM standing for cost per milli, milli being 1,000 in Greek, how much money you're making per 1,000 views.
That's a lot of problems altogether. Overall summary is that there are so many reasons for not getting paid. Yeah, you are getting paid pennies, of course, but they're not paying the bills. So we move to the next step. Why Faceless fails?
Adam, why aren't you talking about short strategies? Let's talk about that, because what I'm about to share with you is going to make some people uncomfortable. Now tell me if these sound familiar. Make $10,000 with a faceless channel. Outsource everything, work 2 hours a week, and live a 7-figure lifestyle. Here's the number that they're not going to show you in those videos. 99%. That's the failure rate of faceless YouTube channels. Let that sink in. I did another video on my channel recently about that as well. Now look, I'm not here to trash talk people. Some of them genuinely know how to build successful channels.
Yes, a lot of those channels, a lot of those videos are correct. They're right. You can make money potentially, but the reason you're not making money because you think you can just upload a few videos here and there and get a couple of 100 views, maybe you'll get viral, or maybe just YouTube will pay a lot of money to you all of a sudden. No, that's not how it works. It works strategically, and you have to be in a position where you get paid, you make money, and you pay the bills with the money you earn from your side hustle because you have the right strategy, the right setup.
But here's where it gets interesting. So one faceless creator who has a successful channel shared recently that it took 20 videos and $800 out of pocket before they saw their first dollar from YouTube, going from zero to monetized essentially. And it took several months after that just to break even. But here's the question that nobody's asking. If someone has a secret system to making 50 grand a month with a faceless channel,
why are they even teaching? They are teaching because they're selling their course, and that's okay. If the course is legit, it contains the right information, then it's fine. Why not? Go ahead. You do it too. They teach you YouTube. If they did, they would teach you Microsoft Excel. However, guys, you know what? Microsoft Excel is an amazing niche with a massive pain. Literally very few people teaching there. Anyways, let's go to the next step. Turn viewers into buyers.
Your business. Let me show you how to think about this. Right now, most creators are like street performers. They're playing a guitar on a street corner somewhere, hoping people throw money in a case.
That's a great analogy. I watched this video before. I loved this analogy specifically. Keep watching.
Some days there's a crowd. Some days there's nobody there. The only time you get paid is when you're performing. And the second you stop, that money stops. But the smart creators, they're not street performers. They're concert promoters, right? They use that same corner performance to sell tickets to a real show. And the real show is where the money is at, guys. Look at Ali Abdaal, for example. He doesn't just make productivity videos. He sells courses, has a book, has a community, builds products. Look at Alex Hormozi, $105 million over the course of a weekend, uses YouTube to find business partners, clients, and traffic. Myron Golden, who is a mentor of mine, his videos lead to high-ticket coaching.
That's it. You understand the point. And you do not have those things. You don't have access to those things. I get it. That's why we have a 99% done for you program, because all these that this guy is showing in his video that we are talking about here are already done for you. You should really watch the free training video and think from there, not from here. We go to the next step. How to win now.
One is picking your people. Stop making videos for everybody. Pick one person that you want to help, one person that you want to entertain, one person that you want.
For example, my videos for the people who have a 9-to-5 day job, who are looking for extra income, retire early, or just getting ready for retirement.
Want to provide an experience to. If you're into fitness, you wouldn't make a video like people into fitness. I'm talking more like busy parents who only have 20 minutes to work out. Specificity in this realm wins every single time. Now, number two is build something to sell. It doesn't have to be fancy. It could be a course, it could be a community, one-on-one coaching, or even a free newsletter. Give it away to people to get deeper with you, right? You build that audience, you build that trust, you build that authority, and you build that community. Now, number three is make every video lead somewhere. That might be a lead magnet, that might be another video. Every video has a job, and it's not just to get views, but to move people towards something that you own. A lot of times I point you guys to another one of my videos. I want the session time to increase so that the trust grows. We can get to know each other through these videos, and it tells YouTube this person is intrigued, so much so that they watched another video from Adam. So we're going to show more videos because there's quality there. Your budgeting video, for example, might mention your budgeting course. It's that simple. Now, number four is own your audience. Like I mentioned, get their emails, build a Discord, anything that doesn't live on YouTube's servers, because YouTube can change tomorrow, as a lot of us have experienced in the past. But if you have 5,000 emails, for example, you can always reach your people. I've built a list of over 50,000 people over the years from YouTube that I could reach out to like right after I get done shooting this video.
You need traffic and trust in order to convert your browsers into buyers. And the solution is this. You make one box, and that is your trust box. Make simple videos, put them on social media like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, the same videos, and send all of them to your trust box. The goal is to build trust, relationship, and authority. This box will do the selling on your behalf and earn money. 50% of that will go to the product or service creator, and the remaining 50% will go to you. Now you see, this trust box is the secret here. Without this trust box, it's impossible to make money. Do you have a trust box? If yes, amazing. If you don't have it, then have us build one for you through our 99% done for you program. My highest recommendation is start from watching the free training. And after watching, you have any question, ask me on Instagram, send me a DM, and I will answer your question. You didn't like it? Amazing, no problem. Don't join our program. but we will still be friends. Because at the end of the day, I want to build trust with you. And then whether you buy, you don't buy, it's up to you. But my job is to build trust. That's what I will try. So go ahead, watch the free training, and I will see you in the training. If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life, and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.